Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Guides. Today, we're diving into how to send Avalanche from Robinhood to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're holding AVAX on Robinhood and want to move it to Crypto.com for better staking options or trading, this step-by-step tutorial has got you covered. It's a simple process, but as always with crypto, stay cautious to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have active accounts on both Robinhood and Crypto.com, and that you own some AVAX tokens in your Robinhood wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the latest app versions for 2025 updates. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app on your device. Navigate to your wallet section, select Avalanche, AVAX, and copy your wallet address. This is crucial. Paste it somewhere safe to avoid errors. Step 2. Switch to the Robinhood app and log in. Go to your portfolio, find your AVAX holdings, and tap on it to access the options menu. Step 3. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out button. This might be under a Send tab. Select it and choose the Avalanche network, as AVAX only works on its native blockchain. Step 4. Paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to send, but remember to subtract any network fees, which could be around 0.01 to 0.05 AVAX depending on congestion in 2025. Step 5. Review all the details carefully. One wrong digit in the address could mean lost funds forever. Once you're sure, hit confirm and authorize the transaction, possibly with biometric verification for security. After that, the transfer should process quickly, usually within 5 to 30 minutes, but it can take longer if the network is busy. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account for the incoming AVAX. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. By following these steps, you'll have your AVAX transferred safely. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.